Founded in 2016 in Mississauga, Ontario, INT Machinery Inc. was built on a foundation of deep industry expertise, a vision shared by two professionals with decades of hands-on experience. This unique blend of mechanical engineering knowledge and commercial insight quickly earned us the trust of the world's most reputable manufacturers for aluminum, PVC, and metal cutting machinery. Today, we are Canada's trusted supplier of quality industrial machinery. We serve a diverse range of clients,
from automotive to window and door manufacturers, metal service centers, and more.
But our commitment goes far beyond the sale. We believe in being a true partner. Our strong factory-trained service team provides expert installation, operator training, and on-site repair services to keep your operations running. With a strong service team and dedicated sales representatives across Canada, we provide support from coast to coast. Our strategically located warehouses in Ontario and Quebec house a significant inventory of spare parts and new machinery, minimizing your downtime and maximizing your productivity. At INT Machinery Inc., your success is our priority. We are built on unwavering ethics, customer-centric values, and a commitment to fostering the long-term partnerships that help your business thrive. Discover the INT Machinery difference. Visit us online at int-machinery.com or contact us today to learn more.